The Lectric XP4 reinforces Lectric's reputation for disrupting the e-bike market by delivering strong performance and everyday practicality at a price far below most competitors. Building on the success of the XP lineup, the XP4 starts at just $999, making it one of the best value electric bikes available in the US and a key reason it has become America's best-selling e-bike. That large sales volume allows Lectric to include upgraded components while still keeping costs impressively low. At its core, the XP4 is designed to be accessible, durable, and versatile. It is powered by a 500-watt motor paired with a 48-volt, 10.4 amp-hour battery, providing dependable assistance and a solid real-world range suitable for commuting, errands, or casual riding. Comfort and control are enhanced by front suspension, which helps smooth rough roads, while an 8-speed drivetrain gives riders flexibility across flats and hills. Safety and stopping power are addressed with hydraulic disc brakes and large 180mm rotors, delivering confident braking even under load. Practicality is a major strength. The folding frame makes storage and transport easy, the rear rack is rated to carry up to 150 pounds, and the full-color display keeps ride information clear and accessible. In performance testing, the XP4 holds its own on hills and during braking, further emphasizing its capability despite the budget-friendly price. Overall, the Lectric XP4 feels like a true people's e-bike, affordable, well-equipped, and adaptable to a wide range of riders and uses. It proves that reliable electric transportation doesn't have to be expensive, and it sets a high benchmark for value in the entry-level e-bike category.